All right, for my second technology piece of technology, I'm going to do a short little thing here on Parlay. Parlay is another thing I would actually use in my classroom as kind of a discussion board with students. And the way Parlay works is you can create all kinds of different online kind of like discussion boards. And I'll show you an example what I created here. Um, so this would be for like my honors kids, and you can create these little discussion prompts, and it comes complete with things like learning goals, media, content. You can load your questions, and then you can give instructions for feedback. You can even turn on assessments. You can turn on and off peer feedback stuff. You can give all kinds of like little hints and like sentence stems and stuff like that. You can even turn the anonymity on and off here, which I think is kind of nice. Um, so what I did was I created a little test one over a discussion topic we use in Honors World where we talk about nationalism and what is it? Is it good or bad? And so I put students will foster positive discussion through roundtable, and students will discuss the positive and negative aspects of nationalism. You can put the content in here. So I gave them a link, and when you click the link, it actually takes them to the Stanford philosophy area and kind of walks them through what is nationalism, gives them some background and that kind of stuff. Um, so that's pretty interesting. And then there's a series of questions that they will have to answer below as part of the roundtable, and then some instructions on how to do their feedback. Went ahead and did a little test when I put nationalism is. You can then, you can do a lot of different things. I'm seeing my own, but you can put things like, star them for your favorites, or you can even, put little comments back with sentence starters like I agree or disagree. This reminds me of, and that kind of stuff. And so I thought this was a neat interactive tool that students can use, and like I said, I would use this in my classroom pretty heavily because I do enjoy having um, discussions with kids and like a nice controlled way to be able to allow all students to share ideas at different times. In essence, it's almost like a discussion board version of Padlet, is what it feels like. And it's very easy to use. And to create a new one, you just click here. You can create online if you want to do blended, or if you want to track a class active in the moment, you can do live. Um, and so yeah, it's you just click that and you can create your own. You can try some of the ones they already have. And if you do that, they have all kinds of different stuff. So like look at social studies here, good old history, ancient history, European history. So they have all these round tables from different time periods. Even so, it's got a lot of cool stuff kind of already built in. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. I definitely suggest trying out Parlay. It seems pretty interesting and very easy to use.